My name is Brad Woodrow. I own Brad's Contracting and Excavation. We've been in the construction business for about 25 years. We do city playground installations, rural parks, city parks, site prep for new homes. So the project here is to, this parking lot had a bunch of huge boulders, this mountain, I guess, thousands of years ago. So we removed all the boulders. We're putting the posts in, and there'll be a post and rail system. We've installed all new concrete pads. Today we're using 3 excavators and a roller. We've got a track dumper going, we've got a small dump truck, and then packers.